put on my face and my eye makeup because that's not what we're here for. We're here for the scary stuff. And shout out to Matthew Miranda, a makeup YouTuber who gave me this idea. I believe, Matthew, you found me after I featured on the Dead Meat Terrifier 2 kill count. And I thought this was such a great idea. It's actually what inspired this entire series, so thank you so much for that. So let me show you the products we're using. We've got some liquid latex, which can be used as an adhesive, so we're going to use that to put the teeth in place. We are going to use some acrylic fingernails as the teeth. I had to look this up because I did not know. Humans have 32 teeth. So I've already laid out the order in which I want to put the teeth on my face, but that may change. Other people that I've seen do this look mostly just used larger teeth, but I'm having mine taper and get a little bit smaller as we go outwards. But I'm gonna start with the teeth in the middle and we'll see as we move if we wanna use bigger teeth or smaller teeth. I believe that we're going to have to use the skin tight silicone again. I also have some fake blood from Marin to make bloody gums. And we're probably gonna utilize this brand new makeup palette, some of the reds over here. To start off, I'm going to draw the guide for where the teeth are going to be placed. It's really just a guide for me to make the tooth placement easier and even. Putting on the teeth. Earlier I said I was going to use liquid latex for adhesive. I'm actually going to use lash glue instead. You can use any kind of lash glue. To make it more realistic and like it's part of my face and not just glued on, we are going to go around the outside of the teeth, make a gum line, and then add some blood. Pretty nervous that this next step isn't gonna work the way I'm envisioning it, but I'm going to use the Skin Tight, the same product I used to make the Joker scars in last week's video, just to get it raised up a little bit, and then we'll go in and color it red, and I'm excited. that step was necessary, but we did it. Time to put some blood on. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. I'm so excited with how it came out, and I'm very excited to get in the rest of the cosplay and show you the finished product. Thank you so much for coming along for the second episode in this series. I already feel like I'm really improving. I think this might actually be one of the coolest things that I've ever done. So thank you again, Matthew Miranda, for this idea. I hope I made you proud. And don't forget, if you are a geek of any kind, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, join us on Patreon for even more content, and comment down below your thoughts on my Mileena cosplay. I think I killed it. Next week, we are wearing a stupid bunny suit. It's Frank. Someone got that. Someone understood the reference. It's Frank from Donnie Darko. If you don't know the character, he has an eye that has been shot out. So we need to make a prosthetic to cover up my eye and make it all bloody and gory and like a bullet went through it. And I cannot wait to give it a try. My name is Leah, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, 가요 Kombat. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day.